Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications on Forex.com. To disable notification setting on Forex.com, first of all, open the Forex.com app on your mobile device, or you can also visit Forex.com on a web browser. After you open up your Forex.com app or website, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. From the account section, tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and get to the Devices tab and tap on Notifications. Now you will be able to see two different sections, Price Alerts and Order Alert Notification option. Go ahead and toggle off the button right next to the notification section that you want to disable. If you want to disable the price alert notification, toggle off the button right next to push notification under price alert. Similarly, you can also disable push notification for order alert. Toggle off the button right next to push notifications in order to do that. You may also turn off email notifications by toggling off the button right next to email. Once you have the buttons off, you will be able to turn off the notification setting for that specific option. That is how you easily disable notification on Forex.com. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.